The next Cami tool is the comment tool. As you hover over, you'll see we have the text comment, voice comment, video comment, and the screen capture. So if we select text comment, there's colors here because that's going to leave a dot to indicate that you have left a comment. So, pro tip, you want to coordinate your comment type with a color. So, if I often leave text comments, maybe I'll do them in green. So, when I say power up your hybrid learning, I click there and it pops out this spot for me to leave a text comment. And you'll see that there is this voice typing option as well. I hit enter and it just saves the comment as it is. I can click in to leave a reply, hit enter, and it saves. But I'm going to scroll over so you can see there's that green dot that is tied to that comment. Now I can hover over that to change it to a different color if I decide, you know what, all text comments should be yellow. Now for a voice comment, if we click that and choose a color, and I'm going to choose green, and I'm going to leave the dot over here in this green section, and it immediately starts recording. So I actually need to scroll over so that I can see where my voice is being recorded. Hit stop as soon as you're satisfied, and let's just listen. And it immediately starts recording. So if you're not happy with it, you can trash it, but that is your voice comment. Video comment's going to be very similar. So let's choose blue for our video comment. I'm going to click and there's my video. I think it's recording right now. Yes, you can see at the top here, I can pause the recording or I can just click done. And now it has saved that recording into this particular Cami document. And there's my video. I think it's recording. There we go. Now for screen capture, this could be a powerful tool to use to see student thinking. So let's make this one red and let's see if this works. I'm doing my Screencastify at the same time, but let's choose screen one. And I can see that it is recording. So if I use some other tools, maybe I have the drawing tool and I want to show my thinking here. The camera's currently disabled. I'm not sure. No, it looks like I'm in here. So if I disable camera, it's gone. So I have 20 minutes to show you everything that I'm thinking. And as soon as you're ready, you click done. And again, it will go through that saving process, but you can see that you can see the Cami work as well as anything that I've done there. So if we play it back, screen one, and make it a little bigger. See that it is recording. So it didn't like that. Let's try that again. Screen one, and I can see that it is recording. So if I use some other tools, maybe I have the drawing tool and I want to show my thinking here. The camera's currently disabled. I'm not sure. No, it looks like I'm in here. So if I disable camera, it's gone. So I have 20 minutes to show you everything. Screen one. Okay, so not perfect when you're using Screencastify to record as well, but think about these comment tools and how they can help you actually see and hear student thinking, or how it can help you provide faster feedback or more direct feedback as you're able to annotate student work. So those are your comment tools. Never underestimate the power of a good comment.